Hi everyone, it's Tammy and welcome back to my craft room here at Creative Girl Vintage. I want to preface this video by saying that I just went through round 2 of sickness, so if my voice sounds a little gravelly or raspy, I apologize for that today, but I'm feeling way better and I thought it was time to do some crafting, and it's always more fun to do it with all of you. So today's video is inspired by one of my subscribers here on YouTube and one of my followers over on my Facebook page, and her name is Erica, and out of the goodness and kindness of her heart, she sent me a couple bags filled with ribbon scraps and lace scraps. And when I opened this up, so many beautiful things were popping out that I definitely felt inspired. So I grabbed up a few things from around my craft room, and I thought we can just start on a simple piece of cardboard and layer up some beautiful things using these little vintage trims here. So I think we're ready to go, and I'm looking forward to making something beautiful today with all of you. I'm starting this project out with just a simple piece of cardboard here. I cut mine 4 by 6. And this is the inside of an old book. It's an old Shakespeare book, and this is like one of the inside pages. And of course, I wasn't going to throw this away, so I kept this, and I'm glad I did. And I think I'm going to use this for the back of the project, so it has a really pretty look on the back. I'm just going to kind of be lazy a little bit here instead of getting my paper cutter out and measuring everything. I am just going to lay it on my cardboard here and use my cardboard as a guide and just cut it out. Okay, that works, right? Okay, I'm going to use, I just got some of this clear gel tacky glue, and I kind of like it. So let's just glue this up back here. And lay our book page right on. Okay, so look how pretty the back of our cardboard's gonna look. Okay, let's flip it over. And I'm gonna kind of do the same thing on the front. And by the way, I'm not gonna put a hanger on this. This is gonna be standing up with a little easel, so we'll do that last. So we've got a piece of vintage sheet music here. Let's see, let me find my other ruler. And I want to just do a little tear on this. Let me just put my ruler down. We'll just tear off a nice piece there. Put that on. Okay. All right, so I'm just going to do the same thing that I did on the back. Just going to glue this sheet music down. Let me let that pop up a little bit because I kind of want that to stick out in our layers. All right, this is looking good so far. All right, now this is what really inspired me when I opened up this bag full of lace, and it was this piece right here. I thought this was so pretty, and I thought this would be so pretty just layered right on top of this sheet music. So let's see, where's my scissors? Here we go. Let's just cut a chunk of this off right here. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. That is so pretty. Okay. And out of my stash, I found a vintage photograph, which my plan is to lay that there, and then we're just going to layer some things up on that. Oh, I did pull out a piece of tulle, and this would be pretty, I think, if we layered the tulle. Well, I'm kind of flying by the seat of my pants here, you guys, but I just have a feeling this is going to turn out really pretty. I'm going to layer some tulle there, and then maybe lay this on top of that tulle, and our photograph will go here, and then a lot of these little pieces of lace that we've got here on the side, we're going to start layering on top. Okay, so all right, we're committing. Tell you what I'm going to do. The tulle isn't the easiest thing to glue down. So I am just going to glue up. Let me make sure I got the front on this. I am going to glue. Here, let's lay that tulle right there. All right, lay there. Behave yourself. I'm going to use some of this glue and pop it right on the back of this lace. And then I'm going to go over to this right here and lay it on the tulle. And that glue is going to seep right through there. And when it dries, of course, I'm pretty confident that tulle is going to be stuck on there. Okay. I see a little bit of the glue wants to kind of come through this fabric here. We'll see what happens when it dries, but I'm pretty sure it's just going to dry clear. Plus, I'm putting all kinds of stuff on top of this. All right, so I have a vintage photo to go right here. And, hey, you know what? Let's just go for it. And you know what I'm going to do? Oops. I can't help myself. I'm just going to get the glue gun out here. And I'm going to get some quick satisfaction. And I'm going to just glue that right down right there. Okay, this probably was my favorite lace that I found in this bag. This is absolutely the cutest thing going. And I pictured it here. Let me cut off a little piece. And maybe a second one where it almost looks like this little girl is popping out of a pocket. Okay, so let's cut that one off. And, you know, no, I won't use that. Okay. So let's go for a little bit of this. And you know what? I am definitely just going to run a bead of hot glue here so this holds down for us a little bit quicker than using a gel. Okay. All right, you guys. So far, so good. I think this is going to turn out really cute. I usually don't do videos where I fly by the seat of my pants. I try to be way more organized, but I don't know. I'm kind of liking this. Okay, cute. Look at these. Look at these little appliques that I had. And I know I have two of them here. Here we go. I had two of them here somewhere. And I thought those would be really pretty right there. So let's do it with the glue gun. Okay. All right. Pretty cute. Okay. This is really pretty. How about a piece of this, maybe right across the top here? Oh, Erica, thank you so much for inspiring this today. This lace is so much fun to play around with. Love it, love it. This right here, oops, pick anything up here. This says, and that's my love for you. And this I cut out of a greeting card. It was probably an old Valentine's Day card. Okay, let me see. I'm just going to cut this and use it kind of like this. All right, and that's my love for you. Okay. Oh yeah. This is so pretty. This is like a little tiny lace with pearls running through it. I think we need a piece of that for sure. Cut off. Okay, and here. Oh, no, that's so pretty. Okay. All right. What do you guys think? Do I need more stuff? I don't know. Hold on a second. I'm going to grab something. All right, I got out a little bit of vintage jewelry, and I was kind of going through here, and I found a little tiny broken earring that lost its friend. So I think we're going to use this. and I have some vintage seam binding in a really great color here. So we have a little bow, and here's that little piece of jewelry, and I think that's going to look really cute. So let's just do that real quick. This went together really fast, and it's because I had so many pretty things to work with here. I mean, you can't go wrong, right? Okay, let's add that little piece of jewelry right there. Oh, look, you guys, this looks really sweet, right? All right, let's flip it, okay? And remember I told you we were going to prop this up. So this is a 5-inch cardboard easel. As usual, everything I'm using today, I always link below for you guys in case you're looking for something. And this bends, and then this kind of locks right here, and it has a sticky strip. And so I'm going to hold this up like this and slide this kind of right on, so I know that the bottom of my easel and the bottom of my cardboard is matching up there. So this will stand up really good on its own. And for my finishing touch back here, and really it's there's no rhyme or reason here except the fact that I just got these cute little rubber stamps, and this one here is a little heart with a crown on it, and I just want to use it. So I'm going to put it right here on the back. Just put a little heart right on the back. So let me ink this up. Here, let's do a little, oh, it's so cute. Do a little test. And maybe right there. Okay, that's cute, isn't it? All right, flip this back over. There you go, you guys. I mean, that went together really quick, and it's so sweet with the vintage photo. And Erica, this lace was just so inspiring. Thank you so much for sharing with all of us. And I'm going to pop this in my Etsy shop, so if anybody wants to give it a good home, it'll be there. Remember, there's just one. And if it disappears, I'm sorry. So thank you guys for joining me today, and I will see you for our next creative project. I appreciate you being here. Bye for now.